Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the auto scroll down issue in Windows 11. Whether your mouse keeps scrolling automatically when you don't want it to, or you simply want smoother control over your scrolling experience, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Windows settings by clicking the Start menu and searching for Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, look at the left-hand side and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then, click on Mouse. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, look for the option that says Scroll in Active Windows when I hover over them. If you want to disable automatic scrolling, simply turn this toggle off. If you prefer to enable it, turn the toggle on. You'll also see the option to set how many lines to scroll at a time. By default, it's one line, but you can adjust this to suit your preference. Additionally, you can choose whether the mouse wheel scrolls multiple lines or an entire screen at a time. These settings help you control exactly how scrolling behaves on your PC. Once you've made these changes, test your mouse by hovering over windows and scrolling. After that, you should notice that the auto scroll behavior is now working exactly how you want it. It's also a good idea to restart your computer after making changes to ensure everything applies correctly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the auto scroll down issue in Windows 11 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?